Alright, next car wash will be the WhiteWater Express Car Wash here at Plano, Coit. The other WhiteWater site that I checked out, that was last fall. I was very impressed, so definitely we'll check out another one. Once this traffic clears up. This way. 8, 11, 15, 18, and 22. Okay, I guess I can go around to the next one. Alright, let's get on. Going into your wash menu here. Foster. We'll be doing the 22 today.
If you have a coupon, wash ticket, or prepaid card, scan it on the barcode reader now.
Alright.
Please pay with either credit card or cash.
Yeah, I selected the top wash.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Scan it on the barcode reader now. Please
first-
pay
oh, yeah,
with either
yeah.
credit card
Yeah,
or
already.
cash.
My bad.
Oh, you're good.
If
Should
you
be
have a
good.
coupon, wash ticket, or prepaid card, scan.
Okay, bro.
Thank you very much.
Take your receipt.
Nice camera.
Thanks.
Go
Alright.
ahead and get. Go ahead and get. Go ahead and get. Go ahead, be good, bro. Go ahead.
Thank you.
Oh shit! Damn! Don't drop the camera. Don't drop.
That's okay. Oops, my bad. Car 778. Yeah, that's why I don't like to. I have my camera strap around. Sorry about that. My transmission lever, and I gotta do a better job not doing that. The place is not really new. It's been around for a while. And let me fix the focus on the camera. And alright, we're all good now. Yes, this was Legends Car Wash. I did mention this earlier. I was like 4 years ago, I think. Oh, my Zoom also messed up. I forgot to put it back. Almost reminds me of a bilge emitter and it's starting to fray. And that pressure's not. There we go. Yep. I'm like, what? I thought the equipment was falling over. That was trippy. That's interesting. I've never seen that piece of equipment before. One red dryer from the last old wash. And then bunch of these. It seemed like a decent one. I think I like the other location better just because I like. Oh, the conveyor stopped. First time witnessing that. That's funny. Conveyor stopped. Yeah, I like the other location better just because it's Bellinger. Alright, there we go. Cars flipped my mirrors back out. That's nice. Alright. Didn't seem too bad though. Yeah. Oh, okay. Turnout here is gonna be a little nasty. Anyway, hope you all enjoyed that wash. Thank you all for watching. That'll be it.